In this media, you will learn about the application of optoelectronic sensor in measuring the amount of oxygen in hemoglobin of the blood. The device consists of a clip. This clip is connected to the microprocessor through a cable. The optical sensor with two LEDs is positioned inside a clip. The LEDs emit light at different wavelengths. One LED emits light in the infrared region of the spectrum and the other LED emits red light. The optical sensor or the detector is placed opposite to the LEDs to detect the light emitted from LEDs. This clip is then fitted to the patient's hand, whose oxygen amount in the hemoglobin of the blood is to be predetermined. Now the two LEDs are rapidly or sequentially pulsed. Hemoglobin carrying oxygen have higher absorption coefficient for infrared light, and deoxygenated hemoglobin have the capacity to absorb red light. Therefore, oxyhemoglobin allows red light to pass through and absorbs light in infrared region. The deoxyhemoglobin allows light in the IR region to pass through and absorbs the red light. The incident light is detected by the optical sensor, which sends the signal to the microprocessor. The microprocessor records the value of hemoglobin containing oxygen and the total hemoglobin content in the blood. Oxygen saturation level can be calculated using the formula shown. Thus you have learnt about the application of optoelectronic sensor.